This tutorial will demonstrate general use of the AudioTechnica Record Player. First, be sure the record player's power adapter is plugged in. Next, plug your personal headphones into the headphone jack on the left front of the record player. Lift the cover and place your record on the platter. The record in this demonstration is a 12-inch, 33 1/3 speed record, so we will make sure the size lever is set to 12-inch and the speed button is set to 33. If the record we were playing was a smaller 45 speed record, we would push this speed button inward to set to 45. Once the correct size and speed settings are set, press the start button. The tone arm will automatically raise and place the needle at the beginning of the record. To move the tone arm to a different place on the record, gently lift the tone arm up and move it to the desired location. When you are finished listening to the record, simply press the stop button on the front of the player. The tone arm will automatically raise and return itself to the arm cradle. To use this record player with a smaller 45 record, you will want to use the circular alignment spacer and place it in the center of the platter. Your 45 record will then go over the spacer to secure alignment. Be sure to also set the size lever to 7-inch and the speed button to 45. When finished using the record player, remove your headphones and close the protective cover.